Dissolved oxygen. Dissolved oxygen is probably the most critical water quality variable in freshwater aquaculture pond. Oxygen level in pond system depend on temperature, stocking rate of aquaculture species, salinity, and the amount of aquatic vegetation and the number of aquatic animal in the pond. When temperature increases, dissolved oxygen decreases. Dissolved oxygen concentration will vary throughout the day. Dissolved oxygen in the water is obtained through diffusion from air into water, mechanical addition by wind, or aeration system via photosynthesis by aquatic plant. 6. Carbon dioxide plus 6 H2O plus sunlight C6H12O6 plus 6 O2. Plants utilize carbon dioxide, water, and sunlight to form simple sugar and oxygen, a process known as photosynthesis. pH. The pH is the measure of hydrogen ion concentration in soil or water. The pH scale ranges from 0 to 14. A pH of 7 is neutral. A pH below 7 is acidic, and pH above 7 is basic. An optimal pH range is between 6.5 and 9. However, this will alter slightly depending on the culture species. The pH in pond will rise during the day as phytoplankton and other aquatic plants remove carbon dioxide from the water during photosynthesis. The pH in pond will rise during the day as phytoplankton and other aquatic animals remove carbon dioxide from the water during photosynthesis. The pH decreases at night because of respiration and the production of carbon dioxide by organisms. Signs of suboptimal pH include increased mucus on gill surface of fish, damage to eye lens, abnormal swimming behavior, fin fray, poor phytoplankton and zooplankton growth, and can even cause death. Treatment method will depend on whether there is a high pH problem or low pH problem. To treat a pond with low pH, a pond can be lined with agricultural limestone or fertilizer to promote plant growth. To decrease a high pH, the pond can be flushed with fresh water. Feeding rate can be reduced to decrease nutrient input in the pond. Gypsum calcium sulfate can be added to increase the calcium concentration, or aluminum sulfate can be added in extreme cases. Free carbon dioxide. Sources of carbon dioxide in natural water from atmosphere. Though rainwater contains 0.3 to 0.6 ppm air in contact with water surface, respiration of aquatic plants and animals, decomposition of organic matter in water body, consumption of carbon dioxide, photosynthesis by organic plant and phytoplankton for production of carbohydrate. Water alkalinity and hardness. Alkalinity refers to amount of carbonate and bicarbonate and hydroxide in the water, and water hardness refers to the concentration of divalent metallic cation like calcium, magnesium, strontium in water. Salinity. In term of salinity refers to the total concentration of all dissolved ion in the water. It is not, as many people think, the concentration of sodium chloride in water. Measurement of salinity are referred to as milligram per liter or ppm. When salinity is high, it is common to report it as ppt. For a point of reference, seawater is approximately 35 ppt. If salinity is too high, the fish will start to lose water in the environment. As freshwater fish are not physiologically adapted to osmoregulation within a saline water source, as freshwater fish are not physiologically adapted to osmoregulation within saline water source, decreased growth and survival can occur under this condition. Ammonia in pond is produced from decomposition of organic waste, resulting in breakdown of decaying organic matter such as plant algae. Ammonia in pond is produced from the decomposition of organic waste, resulting in breakdown of decaying organic matter such as algae, plant, animals, and uneaten food. Ammonia is produced by fish and crayfish as excretory product. Ammonia is toxic to culture animals in the gaseous form and can cause gill irritation and respiratory problem. Ammonia level will depend on the temperature of the pond water and its pH. For example, a higher temperature and pH, a greater number of ammonium ions are converted into ammonium gas. For example, a higher temperature and pH, a greater number of ammonium ions are converted into ammonium gas that cause an increase in toxic ammonia level within freshwater pond. If high levels of ammonia is present within the pond water, a number of measures can be taken. This includes reduce or stop feeding, flush the pond with fresh water, reduce the stocking density, aerate the pond, in emergencies reduce the pH. Nutrient level refers to amount of phosphorus and nitrogen that is present in the water column. Nutrients are important as they promote healthy plankton bloom, which is necessary to maintain turbidity level and provide feed for fish. Nutrient level can be increased in the pond by adding inorganic or organic fertilizer in measured dose.